Welcome back to my channel again. I'm Christina Trasker. This video is a requested video from my friends and my daughter, and they insist that I have to wear this beautiful wig, and I'm very glad that I can make them very happy. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to cut a mango. Before we cut a mango, I'm going to show you a trick how to get a beautiful, delicious and fragrant mango. Before you buy your mangoes, you need to know what would you like to do with the mangoes. If you want to make mango salad, I would recommend you to buy green mango and ripe mangoes, because then they taste better for the mango salad. But if you want to make desserts, shakes or smoothies, I would recommend you to get really ripe mangoes. So the tricks to get good mangoes here, I have two mangoes here. They are pretty much ripe already. If you look at the colors, this one is like yellowish greens, but you can see the black dots, like little blackheads on it. Means it is very ripe. And if you look at this one, this is like red, orange and green color. This is also ripe, but this is not as ripe as this one. And the second trick, you should try to smell the mango. Look at the stem here and just it smells really good. Like, I don't know how to describe that. If you have ripe mangoes, it just smells so good. And this one, it's fragrant but not as much as this one, so I'm going to use this one. To cut a mango, it's very important. I have a serrated knife here. You can use regular knife, but you have to have a really sharp knife, or the knife that you use to cut tomatoes. I have a plate here and a piece of paper towel, and the mango was washed, pat dry and ready to be used. I'm going to start to cut the stem off here. Normally I always cut my mangoes like this. I peel off the skin first. There you go. You see, oh my goodness, it looks really yummy already. You see that? Oh, my camera is not so good. Hoppala. Just peel off the skin. You see that how easy it is if you use a serrated knife? I would not recommend you to use a peeler. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you another way how to cut a mango. So I just slid it through here. You could feel that there is a little stone inside, and cut it this way. You see that? And then I cut it through it. You know that where to start. There we go. You see that? And you got already these beautiful mango pieces. You cut it smaller and you have your mango cut. And the other way, and a lot of people do that too, you just cut the mango, cut it through with the skin. Look at that, I put it here, and then slit it from inside. And twist it over. This one only works if your mangoes, they are really ripe. If your mango is still pretty hard, it's not going to work because if the skin is not so flexible or elastic, then you can serve your mango. So what I'm going to do with the rest of the mango, just peel off the skin and serve it. Oh, we love mango here. It's done, and you can toss the skin away. This way you just can eat it like that, or you use a fork to eat it. But thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed spending time with me, and to get this recipe and other recipes, go to mickmackkitchen.com and see you next time. Bye!